So I have a mangosteen here. So let's taste. First open it. Oh, this is good. Simple violet. I don't touch. Next, this one. Guys, I'm trying to wash my hands. Guys, it's so sour, but let's try with the soup. Let's get the soup. This is my sour. That one. Let's get this. Letter B. I don't taste this. So, I don't know what this. What this is. I'm gonna put my hands first. Guys, no sour guys. Oh guys, pimple. Guys, it's yummy guys. You can try this one if you have a mangosteen also. The taste is sour with mapait siya. Ngayon lang ako nagtagalog. Let's get aganaso. Okay, wait me. Okay guys, I'm here again. Let's get one. Oh, that's my dog. Yes. That's one. Okay. This for certain is this. Okay, next. Last one. Beep. Sorry. Let's try. Let's throw this in the trash. It's a trash. And I have to. Let's eat this. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this, guys. People say it is the long. Okay, let's try. God, please don't be a sound. How to open this? So hard. Oh, the smell is yummy.